So why do I share so much content and information on this channel? It's easy to find 5 workouts here, 3 workouts for this, for that, and for that. But I've got dozens up to hundreds for certain things, whether it be marathon training, a whole bunch of different milestones, 5K training, middle distance runs, 10K, cross country, half marathon, 800-meter training, mile training, everything, and I've got 300 plus videos that you have at your access here access to for free. Why do I share so much information? Because generally a lot of coaches won't do that, and I understand some coaches might want to they share their special sauce or whatever, but honestly, there's no such thing as special sauce. All right, there are great workouts across the board, and a lot of coaches obviously have great workouts, and this stuff that I'm sharing is an accumulation of stuff that I've learned from either Creighton myself or from other coaches over the last 2 decades, and they've worked for 2 decades, and they're going to continue to work. This isn't like breaking news, This is stuff that I want you to have, and whether you're a coach or an athlete, I want you to have access to for free so that you have as many weapons in your tool shed to make the best decisions possible, especially if you need to make adjustments on the fly. You have so much content here and so much information that you're not going to run out of ideas and run out of things. And it also gives you a lot of stuff that you can create that, if you have all different types of athletes who are training for the same type of thing, it can help you address individualized needs for a whole bunch of different people. And that's one of the things you learn as a coach. What are his or her individualized needs? What are their strengths, their weaknesses? What do we need to work on that other people might not need to? Can these people do 1,000-meter reps while these people do 800s at the same pace, while these people do 600s at the same pace since they're younger, right? Or something like that. This is one reason I want to share all this with you. Because I want to share this with a greater running community. And the fact is, I've said this in my last video too, why I started this channel. This is not a monetized channel. Do I want to get to that point? Yes. I'm relatively close. So please subscribe to the channel just as a gesture of supporting the channel. And if you want to be kept in the loop of all that stuff, because I'm not going to stop uploading training videos, hit the notification bell as well. If you can just do those 2 things, hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell to have access to hundreds of training videos. This is essentially, and I've said this before, this is like 50 or 100 coaching clinics all in one channel here. And again, I'm going to continue putting out stuff, and I want you to have access to it directly. And the other reason I share this stuff is so that if people have questions, they can reach me directly too. Top of the line running is my Instagram. My email is blackbeltrunningcoach@gmail.com. So people that reach out to me, I want to be able to help them. Okay, with no expectations in return. Have I picked up personalized coaching clients? Sure. And we've worked well together and all that stuff, but I'm doing this stuff to help the broader running community. I want to help you become a better coach or help you become a better runner. And that's why I share all this stuff for free. And again, I'm not a famous coach. Okay, that's obvious, but the stuff that I've used has worked. And over 2 decades. Again, I'm a former competitive runner. Yes. I've coached at the high school level. Yes. I've coached at the college level. Yes. I've coached at the post-college level, which I do now. Yes. So, and again, learning a lot of different things over time. I'm also a USATF certified coach. I'm also a Wharton trained and certified musculoskeletal and flexibility therapist. So, training while keeping you healthy at the same time is very important to me. That's why I share so much content, and I want you to have access. I want you to learn this stuff so that also, again, it puts you in a position to become a much more independent thinker and again, to have as much content as possible for you to help make better decisions. Right, to help you become a better coach and an athlete. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay, and I just wanted to share that today. If you haven't seen my last video as to why I started a running YouTube channel, that's in the description below. But always take a look in the description. You've got fully detailed training programs, and that's another reason why I do workouts and training programs that are associated with those workouts, so that you know exactly how you can plug things in and when to plug things in. And I explain everything in full detail on my training program, so you have a better idea of where I'm coming from. And if you still have questions, you have access to me to ask me, and I'm happy to answer them for you. So I hope you find this helpful. Again, if you did, hit the thumbs up, and please support the channel by subscribing. Again, the more people to subscribe, the more YouTube spreads it around the running community. I want as many people as possible to take advantage of the content on this channel. So best of luck to you guys and gals. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you next time.